Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to quickly make round wood signs with a vinyl stencil so that you avoid that dreaded paint bleed. We all hate that. It can ruin a project like nothing else, right? So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to get those crisp paint lines when you are using vinyl to make a stencil. So let's get started. I'm going to start over in Silhouette Studio and then we will get right to it.
Okay, so here we are in Silhouette Studio, and the first thing that you need to know is how large is your wood round. So if you have something that's smaller than 12 inches or is about 12 inches, you can get away with using a Silhouette Cameo 4, but otherwise you might want to use a larger machine like a Cameo Plus or Pro if you need to make a wood round design that is larger than 12 inches. So first thing that I do is create a circle that is the same size as my design. So I'm just holding down Shift while using the circle tool, draw a circle tool, to create a circle. This is basically a guide shape that's about the same size. So you can see here mine's about 12, it gets about 12 inches right there, okay? So this is just going to help me to size the rest of my design. So the design that I'm using is a wood sign, or is an SVG for a round wood sign. Whoops, it is not grouped together. So I'm just going to select all of those pieces, and you can see they all have bounding boxes around them now. So I'm just gonna group them so they move all at the same time. Now, what I'm doing now is this is going to be, the black part is what is actually going to be painted. So just keep that in mind when you are going to stencil. What I'm going to do here is now just with the design selected, as you can see, I'm just going to expand it so it's the same size as that circle so that it covers my wood round, which is also about 12 inches, okay? Then I can delete the circle. Now, what I love about this design and so many of the other wood round SVGs that are on So Fancy is that they come in with the intention of being used for a wood round. So they're already rounded. You don't have to like worry about putting it in a circle and cropping it out and doing all of that. This is all set to go. And now what I am going to do at this point is I'm going to just head over to the send panel to make sure that the cut lines are in the correct area, and they are. I am going to use, we are going to use for this project glossy vinyl. So the material needs to be changed to glossy vinyl. As you can see, I have it here. I usually, like I had there in my hand, that purple, I usually pick a color that I'm not going to typically use for something else or that I have an overabundance of. So a lot of times you'll see me make stencils with like a brown or something that I don't use a lot of, that came in kind of a pack or something like that. Action is cut, and then whatever tool you have in your machine. Now, if you've familiar with my tutorials, my videos, you probably know that I will always recommend increasing the force on vinyl to 14. It just cuts much, much better. And when you are ready, you can go ahead and send this to cut. My teammate Nikita helped me out with this, and she painted the round wood sign after making sure that it was sanded down really well, and then cut the vinyl on Silhouette Cameo. This is an older version there, still works perfectly well. And then when you are weeding the vinyl, you want to make sure that you weed out the part that's going to be cut. We use some transfer tape and the hinge method to apply this piece of vinyl to the wood round and then remove the transfer tape. And then we used a makeup blotter and a makeup sponge with chalk paint. That is really the key here to make sure that you avoid any type of bleeding. You can see that chalk paint is just kind of thick. And then pull off the adhesive. This is permanent adhesive vinyl. Pull it off when the paint is still wet. Use some tweezers to get those really small areas, and once you're done, you can decorate the rest of your sign with some greenery and a bow, and then it's ready to hang, and you've created this really cool, custom, beautiful wood round. And there are so many options for this, so make sure you check out that wood round sign bundle. Make sure you hit subscribe.